Militer Rusia terus menggempur pertahanan Ukraina. Juru bicara militer Rusia Igor Konashenkov tanggal 4 Juli merilis serangan rudal berkamera Rusia mengakibatkan eliminasi 7 pos komando, termasuk brigadi serangan udara ke-25 yang dikerahkan di dekat Seversky, Republik Rakyat Donetsk, 2 gudang amunisi, rudal dan artileri di Ivano-Daryevka dan Artyomovsk, Republik Rakyat Donetsk, 1 grade MRLS baterai di reload area, serta prajurit Ukraina dan peralatan militer di 16 area, kata Igor Konashenkov dikutip Tribun Timur hari ini.
Successful offensive held by Russian armed forces in Lugansk People's Republic has resulted in the loss of control of Ukrainian command over the withdrawn units of 10th Mountain Assault Brigade, 72nd and 115th Mechanized Brigades of the Armed Forces of Ukraine, as well as over those of 118th Territorial Defense Brigade. The enemy suffers considerable losses on all fronts. High-precision attacks launched by Russian aerospace forces have resulted in the neutralization of provisional bases of 92nd Mechanized and 40th Artillery Brigades of the Armed Forces of Ukraine in Kharkov, with about 200 Ukrainian servicemen and up to 19 units of military equipment deployed. Russian Federation Armed Forces continue the special military operation in Ukraine. High-precision attacks launched by Russian aerospace forces have resulted in the elimination of 7 command posts, including those of 25th Air Assault Brigade, deployed near Seversky, Donetsk People's Republic, 2 munitions, missile and artillery armament depots in Ivano-Daryevka and Artyomovsk, Donetsk People's Republic, 1 Grad MRLS battery in reloading areas, as well as Ukrainian manpower and military equipment in 16 areas. Within the counter-battery warfare, high-precision attacks launched by Russian aerospace forces have resulted in the neutralization of 4 Ukrainian MRLS platoons near Tarasovka, Novaya Poltavka and Ulyanovka, Donetsk People's Republic. Operational, tactical and dummy aviation, missile troops and artillery have neutralized 2 Ukrainian command posts, 3 munitions depots near Spornoye, Donetsk People's Republic, as well as Ukrainian manpower and military equipment in 61 areas. Russian fighter has shot down 1 Su-25 of Ukrainian Air Force during an air combat near Yasnaya Polana, Donetsk People's Republic. Russian air defense means have shot down 8 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles near Konstantinovka, Avdiivka, Donetsk People's Republic, Kornaukhovka, Kochubeevka, Ivanchukovka, Kharkov region, Shevchenkovo, Zaporozhye region, and Tomina Balka, Kherson region. 11 projectiles launched by Uragan MRLS have been intercepted near Sukhaya Kamenka, Dolginkoye, Kharkov region, Avdiivka, Yasinovataya, Donetsk People's Republic, and Popasnaya, Lugansk People's Republic. In total, 230 airplanes and 134 helicopters, 1,448 unmanned aerial vehicles, 353 anti-aircraft missile systems, 3,904 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 706 combat vehicles equipped with multiple rocket launching systems, 3,084 field artillery cannons and mortars, as well as 4,002 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.